Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It's Tuesday, the 14th of April. Let's get to our weather wisdom for today. So, here's the thing. Temperatures today are going to be in the upper 70s to low 80s away from the coastline, but along the coastline with that sea breeze, we could be cooling off quite a bit. And the same thing tomorrow. A couple of models tomorrow have really cool air moving in with like low 50s in Boston and even penetrating out to the 495 belt during the afternoon. So it gets up into the 70s and then falls back. That may be aggressive, but it's not impossible that that happens this time of the year with that cool ocean. So today, 70s to near 80 degrees. A nice day, lots of sunshine. Cape Ann, Boston, Cape Cod, and the islands certainly could be cooler. Overnight tonight, we're down near 60. Tomorrow, again, we go up, and then does that sea breeze penetrate inland? How far inland does it get? Does Boston even get to 70? Does it stay in the 60s or does it stay in the 50s? Maybe a little shower here in the afternoon or evening. Quick shower Wednesday night is possible. Thursday and Friday into the 70s with partly sunny skies, the way it looks right now. So no big rain in sight. I do think school vacation week next week right now looking cooler and damper. We do need the rain. Have a great day, everybody.